Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how to fix OME TV camera not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you have downloaded OME TV on your iPhone but you are facing a problem that your camera is not working on your device. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, the first step is to open settings and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection and then tap on general and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then tap on software update, and if there is an update available then update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open up the App Store and search here for OME TV, and you have to update it from here. If there is an update available, then you have to just simply update the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open your Chrome and then here search here for OME TV, and from here guys you have to just simply open up the browser and sign in here with your Gmail account, and then you can easily use OME TV on your browser. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.